I'm Aqua with WTI.
My husband has been so pleased with his ASICS Gel-Kayano 29 running shoes. These are his favorite running shoes. Every time they come out with a new model, he loves them. He has always gone with Kayano and they have done him really well. They don't break down, they are really quality and really fit his foot well. And the Kayano 29s nailed it again. He loves them. They're just really great running shoes. I also thought the colors of the shoe were really fun. I like the bright colors, and the outside was really made well. This isn't going to break down anytime soon. This is a really quality outside, and it's not going to stain easy either, even if you're outdoor running. I like that there was really cushiony, even on the inside of the shoe. And then also that support. I mean, look at that. That is a lot of cushion for that impact. Has good tread at the bottom as well, so you won't be tripping or falling. Really an excellent running shoe. He has been really liking these, and he's been really pleased and really gives him the support he needs when he goes running. These have held up really well too. My husband has had them for a few months and they're still in excellent condition and really giving him a lot of support while he's running. These are awesome.
That's my point of view.